Good morning, students. Now we are studying the chapter pollution of air and water. Today we are going to discuss some questions from that chapter. Let's start. We are going to discussing some questions from the chapter pollution of air and water. The first question, define pollution. How does it affect the environment, animal and plant life? The answer is pollution is the introduction of harmful material into the environment. The introduction of harmful materials to the environment. Thus, harmful materials are called pollutants. This kind of harmful materials are called pollutants. The next, what are the effect of pollution to the environment? What are the effects of pollution to the environment? It causes global warming. We already studied about global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is the increasing atmospheric temperature of the earth. It causes climate change, melting of glaciers, polar ice caps, that leads to rise in sea level. The water level will be increased. Rise in sea level will lead to flood in coastal regions. The rise in sea level leads to flood in coastal regions. The next, effect of pollution on animals. Because of water pollution, aquatic animals are facing challenges in survival. For instance, due to oil spill, water birds got stuck in water and die. Then smoke causes respiratory problems in human as well as in animals. We already studied about smoke. What is smoke? Smoke is the mixture of smoke and fog that causes respiratory problems in humans as well as animals. Then next question, what are the sources of water pollution? How can you conserve water at individual level? The causes of water pollution, domestic sewage, industrial effluents, agricultural discharge, oil spills. What is domestic sewage? Mostly contain biodegradable pollutants such as human extra animal waste, certain dissolved organic compounds and inorganic salts. We know that in our home there are so many different types of waste, that is domestic sewage. And industrial effluents include oils, plastics, metallic waste, phenols, toxin acid, salt, etc. Then agricultural discharge and oil spills are the sources of water pollution. Then how can we conserve water? The first point, close the tap while brushing your teeth. Second, conserve forest and plant more trees to maintain the water cycle. We should conserve the forest and plant more trees. Reuse water for washing and household tasks. Then water plants either before sunrise or after sunset. It reduces the rate of evaporation of water. Then fix the leakage as soon as it is possible. The next question, why it is advised that industries should switch over to cleaner fuels such as CNG and LPG in the Taj Mahal zone in Agra? We already studied about the marble cancer. So, it is advised that industries should switch over to cleaner fuels such as CNG and LPG to protect the marble of Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal zone in Agra, because industries like rubber processing, automobiles and chemical industries and the Madurai oil refinery produce pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide that react with water vapor present in the air to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Thus mix with rain and fall down as acid rain. This acid rain leads to corrosion of the marble of Taj Mahal. Thus mix with rain and fall down as acid rain. This acid rain corrodes the marble of the monuments. This phenomenon is called marble cancer. So we should switch over to the CNG and LPG to reduce the marble. So today we discussed some questions from that chapter. So all should study that questions. It's very important questions. Thank you.